when people are like, oh, it snowed. You're not gonna find any dog poop out there. Really? Really? We found lots of dog poop out here. So I've been asked quite a few times, how can you see dog poop in the snow? How can you scoop dog poop in the snow? Can you still service yards in the snow when there's winter time? And I'm here to tell you, as a professional pooper scooper that's been doing this for a little over 7 years, that yes, you can scoop a lot of dog poop in the snow. Will you be able to get everything? Probably not, but you can get a lot of it. So I'm actually going to scoop this yard. I'm going to show you the stuff that is visible, right, where we can pretty much see it, and then show you some techniques of how you can find the dog poop that's kind of like hidden down below. So come on, let's go scoop this yard. The first thing I want to show you is if we come over here, if we kind of pan on this yard, you can see where the dog has been and where the dog hasn't been. I mean, you can see the little footprints. For piles like this, we can visibly see that there's dog poop here. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and scoop it up. The issue is it will crumble because right now it's actually warm. Today's a warm day compared to what it has been in the past. So what I like to do is I will use my foot and I will kick up the pile and try as much as I possibly can. Try and get those piles in there. Same thing with this. Do a light little kick. Unfortunately, at this point in the season, the piles are going to break apart, and then also you're going to be scooping snow. So don't worry about it. Just bring plenty of trash bags with you. It's okay. Another question that I will get is, what if there's crumbles left behind? There's going to be crumbles left behind. It's just, we cannot prevent this from happening because the poop is going to fall apart. Does it look the prettiest? No, it doesn't look the prettiest, but it's okay. And for the most part, most customers aren't going to complain. They're just going to be super grateful that you are out here scooping the dog poop instead of them, okay? I love the kicking motion. That really helps a lot. See, like you can tell, this is a little pile that's been covered up. All right, and I'm just gonna continue. As we can see, we're just gonna follow the dog paws right now. Oh, there's one right there. Because remember, success leaves clues. And I missed some. Check this out. Now this yard probably hasn't been scooped in 3 weeks. So see how the poop is rolling out of the bucket? We're gonna go ahead and we need to change the bucket or the bag in the bucket. Always be prepared with extra bags. Okay, so I follow the dog paws. The next technique you would do, because a lot of times you will miss piles just by following the paws. There was a couple piles here that I didn't see, but the lovely cameraman pointed them out, made sure to let me know that I missed piles. You would do your grid-like pattern in the snow to see what you can kick up. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. And what I do is see how my feet are? I kind of like angle them outwards and I kind of like drag them, because not only will you be able to see if there's anything left over there, but you can also kind of feel if there's a pile underneath the feet because it feels like rock. Ooh, I tell you what, this is quite the aerobic workout. Okay, so I went this way and now I'll go the opposite way. Bingo, baby. when people are like, oh, it snowed. You're not gonna find any dog poop out there. Really? Really? We found lots of dog poop out here.